Got it.
What's this leak is this?
Return now.
So just two? Hi. Sweet. Pretty soft.
Which one do you like? This classic one or something? The class? You like the classic?
Oh, it must be perfect.
What are you looking for? What you looking for? What do you like for? You looking for ram? Còn món thứ này gì?
Yeah, take one. Could I have some more? Take one more. Let's go. You want it? You don't want to eat it. Let's go. I got no shoe.
You can see. If you picture.
Maybe have some fun to food and
I can grab the little. I can grab the little.
Where's the subway?
It's not here. You have to try a little bit.
It's soft. It's soft. It's really nice.
Just Making the breakfast.
Muffin and coffee. Anthony wanna make Swedish. What is it? Swedish
Swedish meatball.
meatball
IKEA.
from IKEA with mashed potato and stuffing and gravy. Gravy over here. How was last night?
It's okay. Not used to get sleeping in
In the
tent,
jungle.
in the jungle. You
You're
get
not used to
Anthony-
opening the tent door.
Yeah, he like can't even open the tent to get out. There's something wrong with the
didn't
tent.
want to yank it too hard because
Like go, it's a whistle. Like
Oh, big bug.
oh no, Toby's outside.
not gonna kill you.
Toby's outside.
Oh no, Toby outside.
Tell her to water my plant.
No, that's your job.
Your job. I'm not there. Oh,
Mm,
the coffee here. Didn't drink yet, but delicious.
It looks delicious. But does it taste delicious?
It's French vanilla, Max.
Oh, is it raspberry?
I think it's blueberry.
Blueberry muffin.
Anthony, pour in your stuffing and put hot water and need butter in there, and then we can cook it on the stove. Okay, that's good for now. Cover your butter. The fly gonna go in. Hot water, yeah. Be careful.
Yes.
That's a giant kettle. Okay. Not too low one. You can touch the.
Is that enough? Hold on. Stir it first.
What you making again, Anthony?
This is crickets, ants,
Spiders and
spiders,
all those
and
insects.
yeah.
Oh, already they have a lot of protein.
Look up. There's a lot of bugs.
Yeah, the little bugs flying all over. What's that? Okay, gravy? What's that? Mashed potato? What's that for, Anthony? Stuffing?
Yeah.
We need a fan in here. Getting hot.
Let's open that thing.
Open what thing? No, the sun coming. See? That's why they close. Maybe open this side.
Big fly.
Yeah, nothing you can do about it.
You can
You are intruding in the environment.
Take it down. You can put that on here and make it hot. We just need 2 extra. We can use one of the.
This is our lunch.
I said you just need 2 of that and use this one for yourself. You
Oh.
make it
Not it
4
for
dirty
people.
plate.
But there are 4 of us. Anthony?
Yeah.
Just because that-
3. Where'd it
That
go?
because other person is invisible doesn't mean that it doesn't exist. Your imaginary friend needs food too.
There are 2 meatball extra.
What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do with that? Well.
onto the plate. Area. Welcome. No leftover.
No left. Oh,
Right, it's in your gravy. I heard it last night a lot of time.
That bird?
Is that a bird?
Probably. What else would it be?
Swedish meatball, mashed potato, stuffing, and IKEA gravy.
Swedish meatball. Okay, gravy.
On your gravy too, Anthony. I mean on your mashed potato.
Mommy said to put on my gravy.
Yeah, your gravy on your gravy.
You're done? And
Okay, try it. Wait, and then you split it.
Might not want to send too much food video or photo to Sammy or Quilla.
Are you
They
just
might be
sending-
jealous that how come we don't have food at home?
Well, they the one didn't wanna go.
They
no,
couldn't
Sammy
because Sammy
have
has
summer
class.
school. Perla just didn't want to go.
The gravy.
See, Sammy sent something now. Probably send her
How's it,
lunch.
Anthony? Good?
Yeah.
Bon appetit. Have you said? Enjoyed?
Good eat.
Daddy need a fork. You don't have spoon.
I do have pork. Uh-oh.
It's good. Oh, Daddy have fork already. Daddy have fork already.
Yeah. He said that.
Okay. Enjoyed.
Oh,
Eat it
already
stay
done.
hot.
How is it? Good?
Let's put it.
I still have my coffee. It's what time is it right now?
It's for nap.
Time is it? 12 o'clock. And Anthony's taking a nap in his tent on his bed. We didn't eat lunch yet. We just eat breakfast. See, every time we eat breakfast, we skip lunch. Why, Anthony? We have a fan going because it's hot in here. Oh, look. Hello. Peace.
There's a pot in here? No, it's outside.
Outside. Ah, you didn't close the door tight. No, you don't need to close that. You just close the Velcro. Oh man.
Stop.
Drinking beer, Anthony.
Ah.
We have 3 fans running.
Oh, really?
We have one over there and one over here.
You guys already have one.
We need to close this. Anthony, we don't want to see now.
What?
We want to be couple. Bye, Anthony. Anthony, bye. See ya, Anthony.
Oh, you got locked in. You can't come out now. It's recording. Can you stop it?
Washroom that way, and then you walk a little bit, drinking water, and then this recycle and garbage, and then there's an old man there walking from the washroom. Loye, I was videoing the site. Like this one is pretty big. I want this one next time.
Close to the water.
And then the water and the garbage. You see?
I'll make a note of it.
Yeah, that's why I say it's 41. B41. Thome?
Right.
Huh?
What do I need to close the eyes?
I know. Thome? Anong Tom? Yeah, the B what? 41? Man Tom. Next time.
Did you see it over there?
Hmm?
You see it already?
No. Let's go then.
How you know it's...
Well, that one's close to the thing. That's the one we want, right? The washroom and the water, garbage area.
Oh, in this loop there's not a lot of stuff. Yeah, but yeah. That's it.
Is it just for parking?
Exactly. Did you have visitor or someone coming to visit you? Okay.
Can we go here? Oh, it's called visitor parking.
Visitor. This is our exit.
You cannot enter here. What's that say? But we can go this way, right?
You can walk this way, but you can't.
I know.
You're going opposite, you can really see the natural light.
We are exploring the campground.
This is the tree of There's another one with water. I think all
Bên tuần này.
I think this one will have to we're taking it where and then we can walk like what if you have the lane of
I know, look, that's what they have it for, see? Only the pooping.
Miss saying.
Oh, is that the end? Oh no, you go that way. Then it's the washroom, and then go back to your tent. This is the washroom over there. Is that the end?
Yeah, that's where we came out.
Short hiking.
Yeah, the loop is not that big. What? Oh. But now you're coming to me.
Get away, fly.
You want to be on camera.
Go open the toilet.
Okay, do that. You should be watching.
So this is the toilet. Please close the lid. Yeah. Stinky.
No, it's not. Not stinky.
There he said not stinky.
Yeah, it's not that stinky.
Close it.
You should close the lid. Be done.
Close.
Yes.
Wipe it again.
Why, but
Your hand.
there's no running water there, so you have to keep the hand with it. They
Hand
have a
sanitizer.
tissue in there. That's how they have. The rest is on your. If
Okay,
you
here.
live in the farm, that's kind of our house. It's a type of stuff.
Yeah, let's go there. Let's see if we can find our tent from there.
Yeah, we can come back to our tent.
And go scare Anthony, okay? Oh, what's that thing over there? Is that the shower?
No, what do we take?
Oh, another washroom over there?
Yeah,
It look big.
you can go check that. What?
The hiking here is small. Here is our tent.
We go to our tent. Down there.
Wait, go that way. This is our tent over there. Can you go this way? Or did it the other way? Go over there. Oh no, come here first. Go. Go into the forest. There's our tent over there. Make sure you don't get bite. Yeah.
This thing has one, look.
Yeah. Ow. What is... Ah! Why you flip on me? Wait. Okay, go. Wait. And call Anthony. Go.
Anthony.
Stay here.
Anthony.
Oh.
Okay, good. The one.
You poke my dress.
Anthony.
Okay, stay.
What?
Stay. Anthony, come. Anthony. There's a big bird outside. Anthony, come.
Maybe you can go later. It's too hot there. Let the one to the river.
Anthony, we already went hiking.
All the way back.
Anthony,
Huh?
we keep calling you. We went hiking.
Really?
Yeah, and we came down over here.
Okay.
You suck, Anthony.
I didn't even know you guys are gone.
Come.
Should I?